Peace, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all had a good week. We finishing it up this Sunday right here. Actually, we are cooking some of the zucchini and some of the yellow squash. We're making some zucchini bread. We're making some mixed vegetables out of the zucchini and the yellow squash. So it's looking pretty good. You know, I hope y'all having good success with your crop, you know, with your community garden, you know, with your apartment, composting, whatever you're doing. I hope you're having good luck with it, because I'm putting these videos out, you know, to help people with some of the stuff that I've learned. You know, I don't know it all, so this still is a growing process for me. But today's video is going to be on getting rid of spider mites, stink bugs, or stink beetles, whatever you want to call them, and other small little insects that eat your vegetables. You know, you may look in your vegetable garden one day and you have little holes, you know, little chunks out of your vegetables, you know, because those stink bugs, they actually bite into it, and they lay their eggs inside of the actual vegetable. So those little stink bugs, they, you know, they will tear up your garden. Put it like that. They'll tear your garden up. So it's best to try and prevent them. You know, it's best to do this before you have the bugs. So also too, I think I said this is good for spider mites. I have some spider mites, a few spider mite on my some of my zucchini plants. So it's not real bad, but I saw it this morning when I was harvesting. So let me show you what you need. 24-ounce spray bottle, or a garden sprayer. You know, the ones you pump down. You pump it and you spray it like that. So you can use this 24-ounce bottle. You're gonna need some. Let me focus in on that. Peppermint oil and dish soap. And it's coming from everywhere. So I've already mixed mine, but I'm going to tell you what you can do. So basically, like I said, this is 24 ounces of water right here. And so for every 2 ounces of water, you want to add 1 drop of the peppermint oil. So let me say it again. 24 ounces, you want to add 1 drop for every 2 ounces. So that's going to mean 12 drops of this peppermint oil into the spray bottle. Now, of course, if you have a big garden sprayer, it's going to be more. So just keep that in mind. If you need that ratio, comment below. I'll get that ratio to you. I know a lot of people have been having problems. One of my main problems, people ask how to get rid of stink bugs, because stink bugs, they're notorious to a garden. They will tear it up, you know. So that's one of my main questions, how to get rid of stink bugs. You know, I hardly get questions about spider mites, you know, but the main question is the stink bugs, because they like to eat your zucchini, your eggplant, your yellow squash, and your cucumbers. You know, they like to eat those because they're low to the ground, and you know, they'll get in there and lay their eggs. You know, they'll even eat your cantaloupe and your watermelon. So yeah. So let me tell you this one more time. So you want to have 1 drop for every 2 ounces of water. So I got a 24-ounce bottle. You want to put 12 drops of this into here. Now what you want to do after that, you want to add just a tad bit of this, just a little bit, just enough to make it sudsy, to produce suds in your bottle. What that's going to do, that's going to make once you spray it out, instead of the oil and the water mixture, instead of it just running off, some of that residue is going to get stuck to the bottom of that plant, or stuck to the top of the plant. So it's going to get stuck wherever you spray it on that plant. So instead of it just running off like rain, it's going to stick on there. So you want to add this to it. This helps it stick. The suds, it helps it stick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you an example of what it looks like. Bring this just a tad bit closer. Trying to do this before it gets too dark out here. So let me zoom it out just a tad bit. Okay, that's perfect right there. All right, so now basically what you want to do, let me fix that a little bit, make that not so bright. One second. Trying to fix my so it won't be so bright, so it won't be so dark. Okay, so what you want to do, take your spray bottle, shake it up real good, and just start spraying it. Once you start spraying it, you'll be able to smell it. So you want to spray it on the top of the leaf and on the bottom. Just like this. Now, it's better to do this in the morning because right now it's getting dark, and a lot of times if you leave water on the plants at night, it takes a lot longer for them to dry, and it develops what's called powdery mildew. So the powdery mildew looks like someone has went in and dabbed some powder on your plants. So that's called powdery mildew. So you want to do this early in the morning. It's best to do this early in the morning, so like I said, it allows the plants to dry out. Otherwise they're going to develop powdery mildew on them. So I'm going to keep on spraying. So now I'm going to spray it on my tomato plant. Adjust this a little bit. My tomato plant is right here. You know, all these bugs, they are really attracted to the smell of these plants. You know, they put off the pheromones they put off. You know, these bugs, they're attracted to it. So, you know, especially if your plants are healthy, they're gonna put off a certain kind of smell. No bugs, they're just gonna run to it. Okay, so let me go in just a little bit more. One other thing too, if you raise your bottom of your leaf up, you'll be able to see some of those little eggs. Some of them look brown, you know, and sometimes you'll be able to see a little colony of those stink bugs that are sitting right underneath there, you know. And if you go even further deep down in there, you'll be able to see some spider webs. Those are spider mites, so you want to get rid of those too. Let me raise this camera up a little bit. I'm not gonna make this video too long, but I did want to show you all Let me move my camera back a little bit in this video up here. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed, just keep watching them then. You know, I like sharing this information. I like giving this to y'all, man. I thank y'all for commenting, you know, asking me questions, and you know, when I set out to start this YouTube channel, I wanted to inspire people to start where they are, you know, because people think it's so hard or to get started, but it's so easy just to start where you are. If you're in an apartment, you know, wherever you are, you know, if you just want to start out just growing one plant, you know, but start somewhere there where you have a little bit of education, you know, and you can relate to, if you go watch a video, you know, or you just get past the learning curve. You know, a lot of times we just got to get past the learning curve, and that's it, you know. So thank y'all for watching. Please hit the like button, comment below. We'll see y'all next time. Peace. Let's make that video.